everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are doing great. So today's video would be on visual perception, but before starting this video, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular updates. So for this activity here, I'm using this A4 size sheet in which I have made these boxes. Now, along with this, I'll be needing some cards to put across rows and columns. So I'll be using these cards here. So I'll put all these dominoes cards here. So here we go. Number 2, number 1, number 3, number 4, and here number 5. And we will place these colorful triangles here. So green one goes here, then blue, and here the red one, like this. Now you can draw all these things on A4 size sheet as well. I'm making them dynamic so that I can shuffle them each time I give this to Amish, and he can get a look of a new activity. So along with this, you'll be needing some additional cards also. So here, as you could see, I'm using these cards of rocket shape. You can choose any shape of your choice. So now we will ask the child to pick one card here, and he will see the color and the dominoes as per the card. So for example, if I take this first card here, the color is green. So the child would see this is of green color. Then number 2. So the child will count these squares and put under number 2 domino. Now the next one, which is of red color, and the square inside it are 5. So the child will count it and then put it across under number 5, like this. So like this, child will perform this activity and arrange all these cards like this. This is an amazing activity where the child gets the chance to enhance his visual perception, and of course it's a very good brain teaser. Here the child gets everything at one place. His hold over the dominoes getting strengthened, his color recognition here getting strengthened, his counting ability getting strengthened. So when I had given this activity to Amish, he did pretty well. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.